How to trade on Binance, easy tutorial for beginners. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on Binance.com how to buy, trade and sell cryptocurrencies on Binance. So let's get started. First, what you guys need to do is you can go to Binance.com and you will land right here on this platform. Binance is world's leading crypto platform that allows you to buy, send, and trade cryptocurrencies. In order to get started with Binance, you require an account. So once you get to the website, you can click on sign up or you can also click on the register option given. Signing up process is really easy. You can sign up with your phone or email address, or you can also use your Google or Apple account. I'm going to quickly go ahead and log into my Binance. On Binance.com, we have buy crypto option, we have a marketplace, trade option, derivatives, earn, and finance. We also have an NFT marketplace where we can buy NFTs on BNB. When it comes to trading on Binance, we have spot trading, margin trading, P2P, strategy trading, trading bots available. When it comes to buy crypto, we have a lot of crypto options available too. Before we continue, I just want to clarify that this video is not a financial advice and I'm not a financial advisor. Trading in crypto, buying and selling in crypto involves a high degree of risk or whether you prefer to lose money or not. So make sure that you actually understand crypto trading, then you can get started with Binance.com. So I have opened up that being said, let's continue. I have opened up the marketplace right here and you can see this is the market. In our market, we have different coins, spot market and future market. We have metaverse, gaming, DeFi, innovation, layer 1 and layer 2, fan tokens, NFTs, storage, Polkadot, and many others. So I have selected all from here and you can see this is our marketplace. We will be able to find all of the different coins right here, all of the famous coins that you look for. For instance, Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDT, BNB, BUSD, Doji, we have Mana, Sand, Phantom, all of these tokens. So you have to select the one you want to trade in. Let's go ahead and select this one. You will get the trade option. You can click on trade from here, or what you can do is you can also go to the trade option here and select the kind of trading you want to do. For instance, the spot trading or the margin trading. So this is our trading window on Binance. Let me show you around. You can see we have to select our chain and token first, and this is going to be the live price. You can switch very easily by just clicking right here and it will show you all of the other options as well. You can see we have BNB selected and then you can select the token from here. You will select the pair you want to trade in. Then this is the live price as I said, and it will also show you the price in your currency. Moving on, we have 24-hour change right here, 24-hour high, 24-hour low, 24-hour volume. In BTC, then we have BUSD. Why? Because I have selected BTC and BUSD. Then we have our trading chart given. This is going to be the order book that we have. In our trading chart, you will be able to, of course, read the chart first and then trade in crypto. So you will select the time frame here. I'm going to select a daily time frame. This is going to be for 24 hours. Then we have to select the bars or candles, hollow candles or more. So I'm going to select candles, like this is a candle graph. Then we have snapshot, we have original, trading view, and depth. So I have selected the trading view. We have different tools here. We have a cursor, we have forks, text, and different other tools that we can use on our chart here. Then we have log and auto option at the bottom. So I have selected auto, but you can also switch to the log graph if you want. Then we have our market here to kind of like switch, and then you will actually scroll down. This is where we actually do the trading. This is where we will be entering all of the parameters to trade. You will select first spot or cross 3x isolated, and we have limit, market, and stop limit. I have selected spot from here. You have to enter the price, amount, select the percentage, and click on trade option. Similarly here, you will enter price, amount, and select the percentage, click on your trade option. You can also go for cross 3x if you want. So not only the spot trading is available on Binance, but we can also do the margin trading with Binance. And then there is also P2P, where we have bank transfer and 100 plus options. Strategy trading, trading made easy, trade like a pro. This is like a strategy where we just create a strategy to trade. There are also trading bots available on Binance to automate our work and to help us with our trading. So I've selected the spot trading, where we trade crypto with advanced tools. All of these tools right here you can see. Then we can also go ahead and check out and explore our marketplace. So I went with all. Let's check out a futures market, because futures trading is also a kind of trading we can do on Binance. All of these trading, of course, future trading also involves a high degree of risk. So here you have to actually select a perpetual. We have USDM futures and CoinM futures, so you will select the one you want to go for. I have selected USDM futures here, and then we have different options. I'm going to go with BTC in USDT perpetual. Click on trade and it will open up the trading window for you. So it will open up the Binance futures for you. And here we have, you can see USDM. We have options too. Strategy trading here, information, activity, and bonus. So the trading window looks quite similar. The chart we have to read, this is the perpetual, and you will get a drop down to kind of like select from other perpetuals as well. This is going to be the live price. We have our mark. We have our index given, funding and countdown, 24-hour change, 24-hour high, and 24-hour low. We also have our time frame here that we will select, and then you can select your type of graph you want to go for. We have snapshot option, and then we have our indicators. You can go with an original view or a trading view or depth view here, and we have all of the different tools. We have cursors and we have forks and text that we can use in our graph here to indicate different things and to read the chart, and then we can enter our parameters. Here we have cross and 20x option. So you can see we have limit, market, and stop limit. You will enter the size right here and select the percentage. Then you're just going to click on trade, and you will be able to trade with Binance futures. Trading in Binance futures is also really easy. You can scroll down to check your margin ratio right here, and it will also show you your transaction history here. So this is how you will use the Binance futures trading, and you can also switch to the new listing here, spot market and strategy trading. This is the marketplace. Go ahead and check it out right now. You can also deposit funds into your Binance wallet first by all of these different methods, like bank deposit, credit card and debit card, P2P trading. Then we have bank payments, third-party payments, and more. So go ahead and check it out, Binance.com right now, if you're looking for a platform to do crypto trading. This brings us to the end. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.